How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me VPN and today I'll guide you on how you can fix this Snapchat support code SS06 error. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you'll have to keep in mind and what you have to take note is if you are using a VPN on your device, then this error will pop up. So if you are using a VPN when trying to log into Snapchat, that might be why you get the support code SS06 error message. If so, you should turn off the VPN and see if the problem is solved. Now once you do so, if you're currently using the Wi-Fi, you want to disconnect it and turn on cellular data, or you can try switching between your networks. If this doesn't help, then what you can do is you can try and clear your cache or offload the app if you are on iPhone. If you are on Android, simply scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down until you find the option that says apps. Under apps, you want to search in for Snapchat. You can search in or you can scroll down and you can look into for it. And once you tap on Snapchat, you want to scroll down and you want to tap on storage option, and there you can see manage storage option. Simply tap on it and it'll ask you delete app data. Yes, you want to simply tap on delete, but however make sure, because this will delete all your account from your Snapchat and it'll clear your application. And if you haven't backed up your photos, you would like to back up before doing this, so this way you can clear this Snapchat data or cache. And once you do so, this will help you fix the Snapchat support code error. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.